storm inside. Don't you dare heaven look be the good girl you always have to be. You see it, don't see it, don't let them know. Well, now say no. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. The sun is done. Cold never bothered me anyway. The tiny house in the distance makes everything seem small. And the tears and once controlled me and affected me at all. Can't you see what I can do to test the limits and break through? No light, no road, no rules for me. I'm free. What does it do? Bothering me